Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch this video. As you can see today, it's a little bit of a different scene. We're in the dining room of my house. I decided to unbox my next bag. I wanted to have a little bit more natural light. I usually use a ring light, so we're gonna do this in the natural light today. And it's not super sunny outside. It's kind of muggy here in Alabama where I live. But I just wanted to do this in a natural light because the color of this bag is an olive green color and I really think it's really gonna show the color of the bag. So before we show you the bag though, I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, fashion as much as I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post high quality images of stuff on Instagram all the time. Definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, discount codes, shop my Depop closet, and much more. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it. I appreciate that. Y'all, with all that being said and out of the way, let's go ahead. We're gonna get on with the unboxing of this beautiful Coach bag. All right, y'all, so this is gonna be the Coach Taxi Tote, and it's a Coach retail item. Now, if you're not aware, Amazon does sell Coach items now. So this came off of Amazon, and I just got it recently. Now, I had seen this tote a while back, and it's a little bit different from most of Coach's totes, and I was like, let me just check it out. Now, it came in a pink with like a natural vachetta leather trimming, which is beautiful. It was about $250. I got this one for, I wanna say around $170. Still for this bag because it was on sale, and most of them are on sale except for the pink one. If you're interested, go ahead and check them out on Amazon. But it was very interesting, and I saw a couple of other people's reviews on YouTube, so I wanted to get my own, and I love olive green, y'all know that. So let's open it up together here. Here is the Amazon box, and hopefully it's gonna look really good on camera here in my dining room area. So let's get into it. I've got my cat claw here, and let's open the bag up together, y'all. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend and Mother's Day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I hope everybody is with their family or their mother or whoever their loved ones are. I do not speak to my mother anymore. We had some bad issues a while back with my grandmother. My grandmother was actually more like my mom than my actual mother, so we do have issues with that. She is still living, but I haven't spoken to her probably in 2 or 3 years, which is sad, but it's the way it is, and sometimes even if it's your family, you do have to cut people out of your life, and I'm sure some of y'all know what I mean. So it is sad, and I do miss her sometimes, but you have to weigh the good with the bad sometimes. So that's what I'm doing. Sorry to get emotional about it, but it is Mother's Day. So, all right, y'all, here is the bag, and it looks like, I'm telling y'all, it looks like a return already. Please don't be a return. And the reason I say that is because the package is already opened here. So hopefully it's not gonna be, you never know with Amazon. I've had that happen before and it was fine, but the bag here, it's got a hole in it too. I don't know if you see that, and the little packaging. So we're hoping that this is just a little zonk here. I'm not really sure. Let's open it up and we'll see together, okay? So let's take it out of the bag here. If it is, you know, I can always just return it. I'm notorious for doing that. I've had some issues with Coach lately anyway, so I'm not real happy with them, but I do love their products. All right, let's see what this bag is giving here in this natural light. All right, I do love the color of it, is really beautiful. So it looks like everything looks fine on the bag. I don't know, I don't think it was a return. It's just the way maybe Amazon packages it, but look at her, how stunning she is, and this beautiful olive green color in this natural lighting, y'all. That is why I wanted to film it here in this room. I just knew this olive green was gonna look pretty in this natural lighting. So very beautiful, and let me just do a spin here of it. Like I said, this is the Taxi Tote from Coach. There's the back side of it. All right, but look how stunning that olive green is, y'all. I just love it. All right, she is beautiful, y'all. I'm so happy with it so far. Let me take off all the packaging and stuffing, and we're gonna get into this bag and see some details. All right, y'all, I was able to get all of the stuffing and packaging off of this beautiful Taxi Tote. I think the color of it is beautiful. Now, I love an olive green, and I've gotten a couple of Coach bags in that suede olive green, and it's nothing like this color here. This right here is what I really think as an olive green to me. So let's go over the bag. I'm gonna show you some close-up details of it now that I've gotten everything off of it, but I love it so far. It does come with a little pouch on the inside I'm gonna show you, but I want you to just look at the beautiful gold hardware on it, and There is a difference in the hardware on the retail and outlet items. Now this right here, I just love this color gold, and it just seems more premium on some of these retail items. So there is the little buckle there, and you can see what I'm talking about. It's just a really smooth, and it just feels better than some of the stuff from the outlet. There is your Coach logo on the front there in that beautiful gold color. And then you have these adjustable straps that you could actually take off, and it has the buckles on it. It does have Coach on the side of the buckle there. I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but it does have it on each side there. So I love that the strap is adjustable, and you can actually take it off if you wanted, or if you just need to shorten it up a little bit, that's really nice too. And it does have a D-ring on the front, which you could hang a bag charm or whatever you wanted to. And then it also has the hang tag there in that beautiful color. I love it. I think it's really beautiful. And then there's the back of the hang tag. So far I love this tote so much, but I do love the shape of it, like I said, and it's just a really, really beautiful color, y'all. I'm so happy with it. I don't know that I would like the pink, but it is beautiful in the pink as well. So if you're not familiar with this taxi tote, definitely check it out. This is the back side of it, y'all. Let me just show you up close. And it does have, you know, with the Coach signature print on it, you're gonna have little Coaches here and there. I think there's one right in there if you can see it, that actually says Coach inside the C. So if you see that and you're not wearing your glasses, that's what you're looking at. But that is it, and let me show you the bottom one more time. Let me just show you how malleable and pliable this bag is, and then we're gonna go to the top and the inside of the bag, but let me just show you, it does fold down really easy. Like, you could just literally fold this. It's very crumply. The coated canvas on it is very, very thin, and you would be able to store it if you were traveling very easily. So I do love it. And let's move to the top here, and I'm gonna show you the top, and then I'm gonna show you some mod shots with it on my shoulder. I've been carrying shoulder bags more recently, and this is the top here. Really nice zipper on the top here. It does have a leather zipper pull on top there. And let's open up the zipper here. Very nice zipper. Now y'all, this bag really reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, if you're familiar with that. And I'll show you why in just a moment. When we open it up, you're gonna know why. But let me show you the pouch real quick. Let me just detach it. It's attached to a D-ring on the inside here, so let me get it off and show you the little pouch. So the Neverfulls from Louis Vuitton, they come with the pouch if you're familiar with them. Here's the little pouch, and so you get that as well, which is a nice little bonus, and you can store stuff in there and attach this little wristlet piece here to the inside D-ring there, and it's got the Coach logo and everything on the little attachment piece, and then it will detach in the back with the D-ring there if you want to detach it. And then you have a really nice zipper pull in that beautiful gold metal there, and it says Coach on that too with the zipper pull. Nice zipper, and then you have just a canvas interior there inside the little pouch. So that is the little pouch, and I love that they put that in the bag. All right, y'all, so let me show you the interior. This is beautiful, y'all, and this is what really reminds me of the Neverfull styles, because they have stripes in them too. So this bag does have stripes on the inside interior canvas. So there it is. I think that's beautiful. What do y'all think? And it has like a journey patch kind of written into the canvas there on it, if you can see that. So very nice. And it just feels really good, y'all. And this is a really nice size tote for me. I think I'm really gonna get some really good use out of it. Here is the D-ring here. Let me show you the D-ring on the inside interior in gold, and it says Coach on it as well there. So that's your little D-ring there. You can hang your pouch, or you can attach whatever you want to it. The Coach leatherware tag says, this is a Coach bag. We were inspired by our archival styles, but we designed it for today. You can use it to hold your goods, your essentials, your OMG, I might need those. That's really cool. Cram it full of all your stuff, and don't forget your hopes and dreams. So that's really nice. Coach, New York, 516 West 34th Street, New York, 1001. And it has the serial number on the inside too. See if you can see the serial number in there, but it is in there. It's hard to get inside this bag and unfold it, but there's a serial number right in the bottom. So that is the interior on this bag, and I think it's beautiful. And like I said, I just love this olive green color. So y'all definitely let me know what you think about the color of this bag in the comments. I think it's just beautiful, this color. I wish they would come out with some more bags in this beautiful olive green. It's just a really, really stunning, beautiful olive. All right, y'all, let me show you what this looks like over my shoulder. All right, y'all, here it is. Let's see what it looks like on me. Y'all know I'm 6'2", so I'm a pretty big guy, but let's see what it looks like on and over my shoulder. I've got the strap extended all the way down to the almost last little buckle. There's one hole left. I wanted to be able to have a little bit of it, still kind of coming down, but I do have it all the way out on both sides. So let's see what it looks like on me over my shoulder on that length. So there it is. Let me zoom down just a little bit so y'all can see the length of it here. So that's what it looks like on me. I think it's a really nice length there, but I could shorten it if I wanted to. And it's just a really, really stunning little bag, okay? All right, y'all, what do y'all think of it? It's really pliable. It just really kind of just folds in on itself, so that's nice. But once I put a bag organizer in it, it's gonna be really nice. And like I said, I'm in love with this olive color. All right, y'all, so that is the Coach Taxi Tote. All right, y'all, that is my review for today on this beautiful taxi tote from Coach. I simply love this olive green color. Y'all let me know what you think about this bag in the comments, and definitely check out Amazon and see the other colors they have available. Now, I did forget to tell y'all that it did come with a Coach dust bag as well in the box, but y'all know how I feel about a dust bag. It's just a damn dust bag. We get rid of those. Y'all, I appreciate y'all watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please give my video a like. I love all of y'all, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. I'll see y'all on my next video review. Bye.